3 for the 2156 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central via Benton. Calling at Leighton City, Leighton, Stepford Road, Benton, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
Edgemead. This train is for Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton City. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will call at Leighton City, Leighton Stepford Road, Benton, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton City.
Stepford Express service to Stepford Central
We will
via
shortly
Benton.
be arriving at Leighton City.
Leighton,
Change
Stepford
here for
Road,
trains to
Benton,
Leighton West.
St Helens Bridge.
Please mind the
and
gap between the train
Stepford
and the
Central.
platform.
This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.